Hello guys, welcome to my video. My name is Hidobagus Putrundautama. Today I will be taking you to the DIY video about making a pencil case from ice cream stick. So let's jump right into the video to find out the step for making it. Don't forget to prepare the tools and material needed first. The following are the tools and material needed: ice cream stick, knife, pen, rulers, and glue. After everything is available, start following the step on how to make a pencil case from ice cream stick. Arrange ice cream stick and glue to become like this. You only need to make two like this. Wait until dry, and if you have, measure and cut the ice cream stick that have been prepared. Cut until it's become two part. So like this, and then reverse it on the back, right and left. This is half down. We make another arrangement of ice cream stick but with smaller shape. We make for small and for medium size. After that, we attach the two parts that are good and two parts are way to become one. That we arrange two of these boxes are placed to the right and left. Then we attach. We make more ice cream stick like before. Same like before. This is simple for me. And maybe for you. Okay. We measure and cut. After that, we arrange it nicely and place it in the middle. And this is the result. This is the pencil case. This is so simple for me. Very simple. The idea of making a pencil case from ice cream stick is certainly more economical than you buying a finished pencil case. Besides being able to use it yourself, the pencil holder can also be used as a gift for your loved ones. So thank you for watching the video. So please like and comment my video. Happy birthday for you.